Welcome back, guys. I have an unboxing today. I got a package from Species Canada, and there's kind of a backstory to it. Back in November, December, I can't remember when he held it, but Wally at Supreme Geckos had a giveaway, and this was part of the Canadian giveaway, and I guess after all this time and weather and coldness, I finally got my package, so we're going to open it today. Always be safe while cutting stuff open. I have cats, so make sure to put that where they can't hit it. Looks like it's packed really well. Alrighty. So I got 2 Isopod cultures. This is P. laevis milkback, as you can see them in here. I got 2 cultures worth, as they're all running away from the light. And I also, this is the one I really wanted to get, because I don't see them in Ontario really, is the P. scaber lava. And I don't really see them running around. So, let's see how we open these. So let's take a look, because there wasn't really any out and about. Oh, there's some there. Oh, sorry, I'm not even on camera. Oh my god, are they ever gorgeous. I'm so happy with my selection. So I won a $100 gift certificate to them. And I believe these ones were $50 for a culture, so there's 2 cultures worth in here. And then these were, I think $30 a culture. But like, look at the size. So now that I got these, I'm going to have to set them up. So I'll get back to you then. Okay, so these are the containers I got for the cultures. At least to start with. I'd like to start here and then move to a shoebox size enclosure. So we're going to start with the substrate that I use. And I add different stuff to it, which I'll show you. Probably use the moss that they came with. That should be good. Okay, then I add some hardwood. These were pellets that I've soaked down. And it kind of turns into sawdust. I add that to the substrate. And then I add some charcoal to the substrate. This is the messy part. Some charcoal to that one. Some charcoal to that one. Close up that bag. Now my hands are nice and dirty. And I give that a mix around. Okay, that's one. Break up any pieces. Alright. Okay, so what I do, we have to add some cuddle bone. So I reach in front of the camera. So I'll just take this little cuddle bone, break it in half, put it to the back, put a piece of cork bark in there. They like to hide under that. And then I add some to these smaller cages, just like a leaf or two, a leaf litter. And I'll see if they need more sphagnum moss as we take them out of the container. So we're going to go with the milk packs first. These are definitely different containers. You press here, and then, how did I do it? Opened it, and then pull. Can't do it on camera. There we go. And that's them there. Okay, so let's try to get them all in the enclosure. Kind of go like that. And then we'll get the ones that are left in here. Come here, buddy. Oh, you went and hid. Oh, they're fast. Here, little buddy, you can go in there. Here, big one. I think, yeah, another one went in here. There we go. Take the tissue. Make sure there's no more in it. Because they hide. Okay, I don't see any more in there. Oh, there's a whole grouping right there. There's such a neat looking isopod. Okay, so how do I get them out? Rip it, I guess? Oh, isn't that a nice one? Come on, focus. There you go, buddy. Going cork bark. There's a bunch of smaller ones in here. Sorry if I'm kind of doing this the wrong way. I'm not used to doing unboxings on camera. Just every little crevice. There you go, buddy. And there's two more in here. I don't see anything else. I'll pick this one back up. There's a few more in this one. They all start running around as soon as you pull it apart. Alright. So that's set up for now. I will add carrot, give it a bit of a spray. But that's one down. Move this container. Alright. So now I need these guys. This one's already open. I think. Yep. There we go. Guess do the same idea. Are they ever pretty? That one's hiding now. There you go. There's a closer view. I'm so happy to get them. I don't see them where I am. These guys came from Winnipeg in Canada, and I'm in Ontario. And like the other breeders that I have, that I know here, I don't see laevis, so I'm so happy to get them. And you should pick them up gently and drop them in. See, and you check the paper towel because they get everywhere. Make sure to check the center. See, and then you pull off that. Oh, look at them. Oh, are they ever gorgeous? Nope, tapping doesn't work. Oh. I think that just makes them stir around more. These guys are stunning. I want to thank Species Canada, and I want to thank Wally and Annette from Supreme Geckos. Great couple to deal with. Come on, buddy. There we go. Just a few more. Like, just look at them. If I put them in view. Stunning. Alright, well, that's the rehousing, well, unboxing and rehousing of the new Isopods to my collection. I'll have to do a collection tour soon. Well, guys, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.